In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automatic welcome note for new group members on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll have a friendly, professional message that greets every new member of your LinkedIn group automatically, saving you time while setting the right tone for your community. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then select the official LinkedIn website from the results. Sign in if you aren't already. This ensures you can access your groups and their settings. Once you're on your LinkedIn feed, look to the left-hand side panel and find Groups. This is the hub for all the communities you belong to or manage. Click Groups to open your list of groups. If you manage more than one, choose the group where you want to set up the automatic welcome note. Selecting the correct group now keeps everything organized and avoids editing the wrong settings later. Inside your chosen group, locate and click Manage Group. This area is available to admins and moderators and contains tools for membership, posts, and settings. Next, open the Members section. This is where you'll control who's in the group and how new members are welcomed. Here, look for the option labeled Setup related to the Welcome Note feature and click it. This opens the editor where you'll write the message new members receive automatically. In the text box, type your welcome note. Aim for a warm, concise message that introduces the purpose of the group and sets expectations. For example, you might thank them for joining, highlight the kinds of discussions that are encouraged, and point them to a pinned resource or group rules. Keep the tone friendly and use simple language so it's clear to everyone. It's also helpful to invite quick engagement, like introducing themselves or reacting to a recent post, but keep it brief so the message feels approachable. When your note looks good, click Preview to see exactly how it will appear to new members. Read it aloud to check the flow, fix any typos, and make sure the tone matches your brand or community style. If something feels off, return to the editor and refine the wording. Finally, click Save. Your automatic welcome note is now active, and every new member will receive it without you having to lift a finger. Remember, you can come back anytime to adjust the message as your group evolves or to reflect new guidelines and resources. That's it. Your LinkedIn group now welcomes newcomers consistently and professionally. Thanks for watching, and happy community building.